Today we're presenting another amazing Tesla blender. With a motor of 1400 watts, this device is one of the most powerful blenders on the market, which means you can easily blend fruits and vegetables and nuts and enjoy tasty, nutritious smoothies for long-lasting energy. The blades are designed to extract all the nutrients, so your fruit and vegetable drinks are full of vitamins and fiber. Before you start blending, simply adjust the speed by turning the knob on the front. There are also 3 different modes to choose from: smoothie, cleaning, and an ice crushing option. Because keeping a powerful appliance firmly in place requires quality solutions, this device has rubber feet, so it doesn't move during operation. Cleaning is very easy thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. A powerful device for a powerful and healthy mix.